What? Say hola.
I'm not trying to get this boat to tip over. I can hear them. Background
Yeah, because they're loud.
Background music. Ah!
Oh, you just got me wet, bro. This water's nasty. Oh, chill, Manny. No. Jesus. Turn to the left. I mean, turn to your, turn to the right.
Stop. Hey, look, it's our dude.
And well, are you stalling? Oh my God.
You want a picture together? Let's see if I can do it. Mark, stop moving! Lana, stop! Mark, it's Mark, it's Mark. Okay, go, Laura. Like, move a little, just move a little. You're not gonna die. 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
Mark, you get a solo too. I'll take this side. Laura, no,
You guys are bad at this. Just give it back to me.
No! Here, we have an hour.
Oh my God, Laura, you're getting me wet.
Like I care.
You guys have to row in sync.
Ready?
Row.
Literally, you're faster than me.
So that's good muscle workout.
We're gonna hit them.
Go, Manny, turn please. Thank you.
Let's go under the bridge. Maybe that's...
I don't know, how about you bring it?
Oh, hell no.
360.
No.
Please don't. I feel like I'm
Doing donuts in a boat.
Where are you going? We're going under the bridge. I want to go to the little cave over there.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. And then we're going under the bridge. Can you roll again? Oh, hell no, Laura.
No.
Can I roll again? No.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Barely, life is but a dream. Oh, look at the ducks. Dude, they're jet streaming this. They're freaking bees.
There's only 4 of us. I didn't know he did that. At least she was here in spirit. Manny, can I roll now? Rolling or over?
Want this big one a little bit?
Scary how water. Laura, this way. Laura, this way. Wait, hold on, you gotta give me a turn. I know, that's why I'm giving you the...
I want to switch, but I don't know for.
Hashtag careful.
All right, I'm about to turn this off. I'm not gonna have space. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye.